We're now joined by NFM Lending President Ozga. Jan, technology has started to infiltrate the mortgage banking space. Last year, 18% of transactions were done online. This year in 2017, the market share continues to go up. In your eyes, what does the future look like in terms of technology versus the human interaction?
No question technology's taken over in the mortgage space. You see it all over the place. You see it with Quicken Loans. You see it with Wells Fargo. You see it with a lot of the major brand players out there. But what's also come up as we get into a more technology-driven space is poor service levels for the consumer. And at NFM, the one thing that we will always believe in is that relationships come first. And our mission is to make sure that the customer comes out with absolutely the best experience possible. The reality is as a company, I have to figure out who we serve and what do we want to be. And what I don't want to be is some giant bank that really doesn't care or doesn't know the consumer. I want to be a company that a consumer can call me back, can rely on us, and we can respond well. Also, the states that we serve, we're very specific on the areas that we go after. And it's not about scale for us or size or growing to be some monster behemoth mortgage company. It's about knowing that we can serve those states and the people in those states. So for me, it's always going to be about relationships.
Will there come a time, though, where the lion's share of mortgage transactions are consummated online? Do you feel like there will be a day where that number will continue to climb and go over 50%?
Look, no question about it. Are we headed towards George Jetson's mortgage company? Probably, right? We're probably going that route. At the end of the day, NFM doesn't want to do $20 billion a month in business. We want to do $3-4 billion a year in business, but we want to do it better than anyone else. So for me, it's about building a company that offers premium service not only to the consumer, but a premium experience for our employees.
So back in the right around 2010, the market tightened up. Obviously, there was a major economic crisis and there was a lot of reform put in. How has financial reform impacted how you do business, and should there be a rollback?
I mean, honestly, Greg, I think the reform has made us smarter. It's made me smarter. It's made me smarter as a leader to this company, and it's made us produce a better product and a safer product for the consumer. At the end of the day, you know, there are a lot of arduous tasks that are in the mortgage process today, many of which are getting peeled back, and that will help because some of them are very repetitive and redundant. But I think that the way the mortgage operations is running today, while it may seem a little bit redundant, is a safer experience for the consumer. And at the end of the day, really, it is about the consumer. It's about the borrower's well-being and safety.
Jan, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Greg. I appreciate you having me.
All right, Jan Ozga, President of NFM, with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.